Are you ready to refresh your home for 2026 but confused by all the trends online? Before you rush to buy that new sofa or repaint your walls, watch this because I am sharing the truth about interior design trends in 2026 and how you can make them work for your home, your budget, and your lifestyle. And welcome to Tanilu Home Edits, where we turn design inspirations into real life functional and beautiful homes. Trends are exciting, but not every trend works for every home or lifestyle. Today, we are going to break down the most important trends of 2026 and how to use them smartly without stress or overspending. Trends are inspirations, not rules. Design trends change rapidly. One month it's earthy tones, the next it's bold maximalism. Your home should reflect your taste and life, not a fleeting trend. Pick what resonates and leave the rest. 2. Function comes first. So, no matter how beautiful a trend is, if your home doesn't work for your daily life, it feels frustrating. Storage, lighting, seating, and layout should be your priority. Trends are tools, not mandates. Use them to enhance function, not compromise it. Number 3, small updates make big impact. You don't need a full renovation to feel trendy. Swapping cushions, rugs, lighting, or wall art can transform a space instantly. The 2026 mindset is strategic edits over expensive overhauls. Number 4, sustainable and timeless choices. Fast trends can create clutter and waste. Invest in quality pieces that last, age beautifully, and adapt to multiple trends. This approach is good for your wallet, your space, and the planet. Number 5, mix modern with classic. 2026 favors blending clean, modern designs with timeless elements. Think sleek furnitures, natural textures, or contemporary lighting, or classic wall accents. This combo makes your space feel fresh yet enduring, not dated next season. Number 6, color palettes to watch. Warm earthy tones, muted greens, soft neutrals, and occasional bold accents dominate 2026. Tip: stick to a base palette for walls and furniture and layer in trend colors with accessories. This creates a balanced, Instagram-worthy space without overwhelming it. Number 7, lighting is transformative. So trends highlight layered lighting, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting. LED accents, pendant lights, and smart lighting are trending this year. Good lighting improves mood, function, and photography of your space. Number 8, flexibility and multi-purpose spaces. With more people working from home, trends emphasize flexibility. Comfortable furniture, open layouts, and modular storage are essential. So 2026 trends prioritize spaces that adapt to your lifestyle. Number 9, textures matters. So natural materials like wood, stone, rattan, and linen are trending. Mixing textures add depth and interest, even in a minimal design. Use textures in small doses through rugs, cushions, or wall finishes. Number 10, statement pieces without clutter. So trends encourage bold furniture or art, but avoid overwhelming the room. Pick 1 or 2 standout elements per piece instead of following every trend. This ensures your home feels curated. 11, plants and greeneries. Indoor plants continue to dominate 2026 trends, and this is something that it continues to prove to be timeless. They purify the air, soften hard surfaces, and add life to your interior. Mix real and artificial greenery for low maintenance style. Number 12, Personal touches over perfection. So trends can feel generic, but adding personal items makes a house or a home feel cozy and warm. Photos, souvenirs, or heirlooms give warmth and character. 2026 teaches us a home is stylish and personal, not just a showroom. Last but not least, the ultimate 2026 trend. The real trend this year is intentionality. So, designing spaces that look good, feel good, and work for you is mandatory and the most important of all. When your home supports your lifestyle, budget, and personal taste, you've mastered 2026 design. Trends are secondary to comfort, function, and joy. So, if you've learned something today, hit subscribe to Tanilu Home Edits and turn on notifications. We'll continue breaking down trends, hacks, and edits that work for every home in 2026. Comment below which trend are you excited to try and which will you skip. Let's start a conversation. Your home, your style. Till next time, happy 2026.